Hello, my name is Wissam Alouli, and I will present the paper entitled SANCUS Multi-Layers Vulnerability Management Framework for Cloud-Native 5G Networks. In this presentation, I will introduce the SANCUS project and I will highlight its background, main concept, as well as its architecture. But before starting this presentation, I'll present myself. Dr. Wissam Alouli. I'm project manager in a French SME company called Montimage, and my expertise is related to formal methods applied to cybersecurity. And I participated to 10 to 15 research and collaborative European projects, and one of them is SANCUS. Montimage is not the leader of SANCUS. The coordinator is Thales from France, and the technical leader is Ubitech from Greece. The project involves 15 partners from 8 countries, and it started in last September and will last for 3 years. So now we are finalizing its first year. The main objective of SANCUS project is to develop an integrated software suite for measuring and evaluating the cybersecurity and privacy of an overall cloud-native 5G network through 6 intelligent engines that will be presented later. Let's start with the background and motivation of the project. As we move to 5G systems and beyond, intelligent security solutions are nowadays required to cope with complex attacks that can happen at the hardware, virtualization, or software layers. And this security solution should not compromise the end-to-end quality of service of running applications. To achieve this goal, we need to conceive new tools and strategies that enable next-generation ICT system networks to perform automated and intelligence analysis of their firmware images at massive scale. These tools and strategies should also enable proactive risk assessment of network application and services by means of maximizing the overall system resilience in joint terms of security, privacy, and reliability. We need also to implement in heterogeneous systems within massively distributed environments, resulting in dynamically and unpredictably changing risks. SANCUS provide a novel approach that relies on the extraction of formulas that describe and then optimize unified security versus privacy versus reliability trade-offs, and finally updates system network, cybersecurity, privacy, and quality of service performance in a joint, explicit, and automated manner. These formulas are to be fused into multi-dimensional optimization problems to derive the mathematically precise protection recommendation subject to the risk assessments of every network unit. You can see in the slides that we need to identify, first of all, several metrics and concepts to model security, privacy, and quality of service, and then the approach needs to establish intelligent game theoretic decision-making frameworks for automated cybersecurity optimization and truly optimal defense recommendation. The main high-level architecture is presented in this slide. 6 engines are developed for the platform implementation responsible for the firmware unpacking of OEM IoT devices called FIV engine, the firmware code inspection called SIV engine. The FIV and SIV engines allow to detect potential vulnerabilities in the firmware of user equipment that can be IoT devices and then assess the risk of using them. The third engine is the runtime risk analysis called SID. This engine is mainly focused on the analysis of 5G core related vulnerabilities in the context of NFV and SDN based network. It also allows to analyze at runtime the 5G network traffic and detect potential attacks that are exploiting the network vulnerabilities and understand the root cause. The fourth engine is the emulation attack engine called ACE. This engine allows to generate different kinds of attacks targeting different 5G protocols and nodes. They can be simple attacks or collaborative attacks, and they can also rely on AI-based algorithms to generate sophisticated attacks. And two intelligent engines for the IoT model extraction called Mu Engine and the optimization engine that is based on the game theory approaches and maximize the security versus privacy versus reliability efficiency called Geo Engine. The key innovative features of the project are also presented here and are mainly related to the innovation of these 6 engines in terms of algorithms and efficiency. The extracted Sankus architecture combines the various engines in an integrated platform that will be used for the testing and validation of the overall concept and specific use cases. This architecture is also presented and explained here. It is noted that the Sankus schema is planned to be delivered as an integrated software suite and evaluated for demanding use cases that include the handling of vulnerabilities and security issues at both the firmware layer and the virtualization and management layer, as well as complex combined use cases that benefited from the unique game implicit optimization schema. The testbed will be implemented in the Nokia premises, and all the engines will be integrated there in order to perform several experiments and assess the efficiency of the solution. 3 pilot use cases are planned in the project. The first one focuses on representing the end-to-end services of 5G and IoT applications and network services. The goal is to perform a continuous risk assessment process using SID in the network, end user equipment, and virtualized infrastructure. It also relies on ACE to perform several generations of different threats, modeling complex cyber attacks in a service-based architecture. The pilot use case number 2 focuses on performing the security compliance checks as well as risk assessment on IoT devices connected to Sankus testbed on the firmware level. This pilot will use the 7-FIV engines in order to detect potential vulnerabilities in these IoT devices. And the last pilot use case will be related to automated cybersecurity optimization based on Mu and Geo engines. During the first year, we worked in Sankus on the identification of the different threats that can target 5G networks at different layers. We also identified the engine's requirements and designed the project architecture with a detailed conception of each engine. And we started now the development of the 6 different engines, and we hope that we can demonstrate them in the next few months. For further details, please visit the Sankus project website or contact us directly. Thank you.